Hey, hi guys. So, because Teams is limited with logging with the two work accounts, only one personal and one work account is possible. At this time, Microsoft is announcing for Insign documentation that the feature to logging with multiple work accounts to work simultaneously on one desktop application is coming, but at this time there's no test version, no release plan or whatsoever. Most of you are working with clients that are uh, that you need to be online on their teams to chat and coordinate with team members and to be present in our company Solutionade Teams channels and chat. So you'll be present in both directions. So client side and company side. One of the solutions is the solution that you're practicing every day probably to log in a browser. So the web instance of Teams, and the other one is to be logged in the desktop application uh, from Teams. So this is the simplest one. So you log in your browser. Maybe you have different profiles for different projects, different clients. So, for example, I'm one of the profiles, so I'm connected with one of the accounts that I have for Gene at some company code it works 771, and the team is working. The other instance is desktop app, and there's I'm logged in. Let me just click. So this is the desktop application, and I'm logged in with my company Solutionade account. So here I'm logged with the one account, and here I'm logged with the company account. So you can work like this, but I know you're lost in multiple web browsers, multiple tabs in the web browsers, and you don't know where the application is going, where's the team, so where you lose track of the company chats. Uh, there's an upgrade, so extension of this, so uh, Edge, Chrome has the opportunity for progressive web apps, so PWA, and you can create and install this app direct from, for example, Edge, as I'm doing like right now. So go in the app sections, and here I have already created one instance for this one, so it works. We can manage the apps from here as well. So this is one of the apps. So I can launch it or I can create a new one. So first let's launch it. So this is one of the installed apps. It's a new window that has only that app. So web themes it will work as a separate desktop app. So you can resize it, minimize it, uh, only push the notifications, and it will be there simultaneously besides the web application. So as you can see, this is one of the account. This is my main company account. It works, and I can do the same with another account. I can have multiple accounts. I can have a desktop shortcut for this. So here's the desktop shortcut. So if I close this, I have only a desktop shortcut, and it will open the Teams uh, PWA app. So it works. You can try this. I have a different solution, so that will open uh, multiple desktop apps, not PWA apps, so not web instances of something, but whole new apps. So as separate, fully functional team instances. So it's called multi Microsoft Teams, and you can create profiles here. So this is the default profile. So that profile is this profile. So at Solutionade, because that's the main default profile. Let me close that profile and show you how it works. So this is the default profile, and I can create custom new profiles. So let me create the same one from the web instance. So it was sales1 dot on Microsoft.com. Let me this will let's show them the name. Let's call it only WorkGene. So WorkGene, when I launch the app, uh, for the first time, it may open and as I'm logged into the default one. You see, let me hide some stuff. So as you can see, I'm logged in, as you can see. So, but I have an option to sign out. I'm logged in with my second account. So you can see I have second account. If it's not listed because I've tested this and it's showing here. If it's not showing, use another account and sign in, and you can log in. So because I've already tested this, I have logged in with the accounts, and here is it. So I'm logged in with my WorkGen account on a desktop application, and I can launch the default as well. And I will have two separate desktop applications that work simultaneously. So one is from Solutionade, and the other one is it works 701 on Microsoft. I can have a third profile. So let's say it, for example, make Teams. I save. So when I launch this, it may log me with my default profile, but the same procedure. This is only for when you create the profiles. You can sign out from the default account and log in with one of your client's accounts. So you can have three separate instances and of Teams. So as a desktop application, no, not as web application in a browser or okay. So this is the third one. And the functionalities from the desktop application are there. So here is the third desktop app. So at this moment, I'm using 3 separate instances of, of the application. I can close them, so kill them completely. Let me just, so I can close this one from the, I can close this one, I can close the main one, I can quit everything, I can close this, and when I need it, I will launch the multi-MS themes. I'll have the 3 profiles. And I will use the profiles that I need at that time. So if I need the default one, only select it and launch, and it will launch the Add Solutionade profile. If I need the multi-team logged in themes, I will click the profile and open that instance. So the login part is only for the first time. If I need the third one, only select done and launch. And that's it. So we have 1, 2, 3 instances of Team Desktop app. And they work. You can do whatever you want. Thank you for the short explanation. And I hope this will be beneficial in your day-to-day work. So bye-bye.